Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So today we will solve some more problems on our length of subtangent subnormal. Okay, 4 marks questions. So come to first one. Find the lengths of subtangent and subnormal at a point on the curve y is equal to b into sin x by a. So most repeated question, 4 marks question. Okay, so first what is the given curve equation is? So given curve equation is what is that given curve equation? It is y is equal to b sin of x by a. Okay, so we have to find the length of subtangent and subnormal. For that we need y dash value. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides. X on both sides. If we differentiate with respect to x on both sides, what happens? It is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of b into sin of x by a. Okay, so b is a constant. We can write outside d by dx of sin of x by a. So d by dx of sin is a cos, right? So b into cos of x by a into d by dx of x by a. Okay, so is equal to b into cos of x by a. X by a means 1 by a is constant. So we can write 1 by a outside into d by dx of x. Okay, so is equal to, it is b cos of x by a into 1 by a. D by dx of x is 1. So it is nothing but b by a constant, right, into cos of x by a. This is what? This is your y dash. Okay, so question is find the length of subtangent and subnormal. So you take length of subtangent, right? Length of subtangent is equal to, previous class we got all the formulas of length of subtangent and subnormal, right? So length of subtangent formula is modulus of y by y dash. So is equal to modulus of y. What is y? Your y is b into sin of x by a by y dash. Now only we got our y dash value. It is b by a cos of x by a. Okay, so b will get cancelled. This 1 by a goes upwards, it becomes a, and sin by cos is a tan, isn't it? So it is tan of x minus x by a, and for that modulus is there. That is your length of subtangent. Okay, next you take length of subnormal. So what is the formula for length of subnormal? Subnormal is equal to, what is the formula? Modulus of y into y dash is the length of subnormal. So is equal to y. What is your y? It is given that b into sin x by a is your y, and y dash, what is your y dash value? It is b by a into cos of x by a. Okay, so is equal to b into b square by a into sin of x by a into cos of x by a. There is one formula in trigonometry 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. So for that sake you multiply and divide with 2 so that it will be in the form of 2 sin theta cos theta form. In place of theta we can have any value, I said so many times. So multiplying and dividing, right? So b square by downwards 2a. Here along with this we can take 1 2 into sine of x by a into cos of x by a. Okay, so is equal to, it is nothing but modulus of b square by 2a sine 2 theta form. So sine 2x by a is the answer for your length of subnormal. Okay, so which formula we used? Sin theta cos theta is there. If it is 2 sin theta cos theta, we can write sin 2 theta, trigonometry formula, right? So for that sake we multiplied and divided with 2, and 2 sin, in theta place we can have any value. So 2 sin theta cos theta, so its value is sin 2 theta. Okay, so this is our first question. Now come to the second question. Show that at any point x comma y on the curve y is equal to b into e to the power of x by a, the length of subtangent is constant and length of subnormal is y square by a. So come on, you take the given curve equation is, given curve equation is, what is your curve equation? It is y is equal to b into e to the power of x by a. Okay, so to get our length of subtangent and subnormal we need y dash value. So differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Okay, so come on, it is d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of b into e to the power of x by a. So this is nothing but your dy by dx is equal to, b is a constant, into d by dx of e to the power of x by a. So is equal to b into, you know that what is the formula, standard formula, d by dx of exponential function is exponential function into d by dx of that function. Okay, so here also we will write that as e to the power of x by a into d by dx of x by a, that variable. So is equal to b into e to the power of x by a, and 1 by a is a constant, into d by dx of x. So b into e to the power of x by a is nothing but y. So we can write this as y into 1 by a into d by dx of x is 1. So is equal to y by a is the value of your y dash. Okay, so once we got y dash, we can write our formula is equation of the tangent, isn't it? Length of the subtangent and length of the subnormal we have to find, right? So come on, take length of subtangent. So length of subtangent, what is the formula? So in previous class you got all the formulas, 4 formulas, right? Length of the subtangent, subnormal, tangent and normal also. So come on, we will take length of subtangent, length of subtangent is equal to, what is the formula? Modulus of y by y dash. Okay, so is equal to y. What is the y in the question? And y dash, if you observe, your y dash is y by a. So we can write this y only, and in y dash place we can take that as y by a. Okay, So what happens? Y get cancelled. 1 by half, 1 by a, that is equal to a, which is a constant. See the question. Prove that the length of subtangent is constant and length of subnormal is y square by a. So come on, we can take length of subnormal is equal to, what is the formula? Modulus of y into y dash. So y into, what is our y dash? Y dash is equal to y by a. So is equal to, it is y square by a. Question is given, show that the length of subnormal is y square by a. We got that value y square by a only. Okay, so next come to the third question. What is your third question? Observe carefully. In all these three questions, we have to find length of subtangent, subnormal only. See the third question. What is that question? Show that the length of subnormal at any point on the curve xy is equal to a square varies as the cube of ordinate of the point. What is the meaning of ordinate? Right. So in a point, suppose P is there. Suppose P x comma y is there. X is called abscissa of the point and y is called ordinate of the point. So we have to prove that length of subnormal to this curve is varies. Varies means changes with the cube of the ordinate. Ordinate means y. Cube of the ordinate means y cube. So your value length of subnormal must be proportional to y cube. Then we can say that length of subnormal varies cube of the ordinate. Ordinate in a point, x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. Okay, so here we have to prove that length of subnormal at any point varies cube of the ordinate. Cube of the ordinate, right? So cube means to the power of 3. Ordinate means y. Okay, so your length of normal must be proportional to y cube. Come on, let us see whether it is correct or not. So third question, what is the given curve equation is xy is equal to a square. So write down given curve equation is, what is given curve equation? It is xy is equal to a square. Okay, so to write the length of subnormal, we want y dash. So come on, it is differentiating with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of xy is equal to d by dx of a square. So it is, come on, how we can write this value? U into v form, x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x is equal to 0. Okay, so it is x into dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x is 1, right? So is equal to 0. Then we want dy by dx. So x dy by dx is equal to minus y. Then what happens to your dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Now you find out your m value. Why we need m value here? To get our length of subnormal. So come on, with this we can write our y dash. Y dash is equal to minus y by x. So come on, you take length of subnormal. What is the formula for length of subnormal? Right, y into y dash. We can write y dash as m also, right? These formulas can be taken in terms of m also. M is nothing but dy by dx. So length of the subnormal. What is the formula? Modulus of y into y dash. So come on, it is y into y dash. Which value we got? Minus y by x. So is equal to modulus of minus y into y is y square by x. Okay, so in the modulus, inside the modulus, negative value is there, it becomes positive. So it is y square by x. How we will get our x value? From this given curve equation, what will be our x? X is equal to a square by y. Send this y to that side. X is equal to a square by y. So come on, it is a square by y. So we can write this as y goes upwards, y square into y cube by a square. So it is nothing but 1 by a square into y cube. See, we got the cube of y. So it is directly proportional to y cube, isn't it? Some constant into y cube, right? So therefore length of the subnormal, this length of the subnormal, this is constant, it does not changes, but y value is variable, it will changes, right? So length of subnormal varies, changes along with the cube of the ordinate. Ordinate means y coordinate, right? In a point px comma y, right? First one, x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called ordinate. So we got length of the subnormal is equal to some constant into ordinate whole cube. Ordinate whole cube, cube of the ordinate. So we have to prove that varies as the cube of the ordinate of the point. Okay, so hence proved all the three problems, values are given to us, right? So here subnormal is y square by a. We will know whether we got the answer or not. And in this question we have to get our length of subnormal varies with the cube of the ordinate. Okay, so practice these problems. That's all for today. Have a nice day.